What's up everyone, my name is Rishi Gupta. This time we are going to look into one of the most important aspects of rope jumping, that is switching from one jump rope trick to another, also known as transition. So let's begin. Let me show you what I mean by transition. Now you're just a beginner and you started to perform basic jumps and you want to switch to another jump rope trick like side swing or crisscross. But there is going to be hesitation and there is going to be lag in between the execution and thinking. At that point you have to work on the speed of transition. It becomes even more obvious when you're trying to perform a new jump rope trick or you're trying to perform a difficult jump rope trick like toad. Now I came up with this idea because I wanted to learn how to perform jump rope dance. To perform jump rope dance you have to be really quick. You have to change from one jump rope trick to another at the beat of the music, and you have to be really fast. In order to do that, I came up with the two methods. The first one, try to work on patterns or combination of different jump rope tricks and try to work on them. I'll share with you the two of them. The first one is try to perform crisscross, side swing and then basic jumps. And the second one, try to perform side swing, crisscross and then basic jumps as fast as possible. In the second method you will need music to help yourself. Try to pick up two songs with different tempo, the first one with slow tempo and the second one with fast tempo. Now first of all I will try to perform on the music with the slow tempo. Now I will perform on the music with a fast tempo. I hope you find this concept interesting and you will try to work on that as well. I'll see you next time.